Hi, this is Wayne at the print show. It's day one. We're an hour and a bit in, and now I have the privilege to talk to Luke Wildey. Luke from Howden's.
How you doing?
I mean, we only live probably about 10 miles apart. No, 2 miles apart. It's 2 miles apart, isn't it?
Just down the road. I could walk to yours.
And or fly drones. Yeah. And the only place we meet is at trade shows. Yeah. Luke, it's great to see you.
And you, mate.
So you're with Howden's.
Yep.
Give us a little bit more information about Howden's.
So we specialise in providing print insurance for print businesses.
Right, okay.
We specialise in print, signage, graphics, large format, everything you can think of, and ancillary businesses as well. I come from the industry, so I've got ink under my fingernails. I've worked in litho digital, large format, as well as print management, and I got sick of the race to the bottom. So I left print, and then I started working in tech, digital marketing, and I've come back to print because I can genuinely facilitate the right cover for print businesses and help print businesses.
Very active on social media.
Yeah, very active on social media, and generally speaking, 9 times out of 10, clients walk away from me with better cover and more money in their pocket.
Okay, so how does that work? Are we talking damage insurance, breakdown insurance?
It's business insurance, so it's commercial insurance as a whole, but we then look at the other insurances of that business.
Right, okay.
So every business will have a liability policy, generally within a commercial combined policy.
Right.
And then if they're running vans or cars, they've got a fleet policy. Everyone now should be taking out a cyber policy because of the risks that cyber poses to their business and the industry as a whole. Look at what happened recently with the airlines. You only got to go back a couple of months to Marks and Spencer's, Co-op, TfL. You don't need to be a big business for someone to click the wrong link or make a simple mistake.
Okay.
So cyber insurance is a big one at the moment. I've done lots of training in that, done lots of work in that. We've got a real good suite of providers that provide training, employee training, phishing simulations and testing and reporting, and give you access to risk engineering teams to help your IT departments actually develop your cybersecurity processes. So it's a big one. And then there is machinery damage as well.
Okay. So from not being in the industry and coming from the print side, that all sounds very complicated to me. I mean, if I owned a PSP, a print service providing company, that would just blow my mind.
Yeah.
I take it it's not quite as scary as it sounds.
It's not as scary as it sounds. It's piecemeal. Once you break things apart, once you work through those different bits and pieces, you can actually break it into piecemeal. You can do an imposition. You can't do an imposition when you first look at it.
No.
No one can.
No
one can work out how to do work and tumble or work and turn in their first 6 weeks on the job. If you get an estimator and they can work out work and turn and work and tumble and the difference between them in their first 6 weeks, you've got a golden nugget in the industry.
Yeah.
Doesn't happen. Same with insurance. It takes time to learn it, break it down and stuff like that, which is why you need to be able to trust a broker who understands what you do and the industry that you work in.
Okay, so if you want to get your head around business insurance, come along to your booth here at the print show and you'll tell them all about it.
Yeah, give us your details. Put yourself in for a chance to win a Sage coffee machine over there.
Very nice.
And you can also win one of our lovely lions from the grab machine.
Brilliant. Brilliant. Luke, as ever, really great to see you.
And you,
I hope you have a good show.
Good to see you.
And I'm sure we'll catch up soon.
Cheers.
Take care.
Somebody.